Hello everyone, welcome to my video. It's the first time I'm trying to do a voiceover, so please don't be really strict with me and don't complain about my accent. So as you can see, it's gonna be like unboxing slash review video. I made a purchase I wanted to do quite a while ago. I decided to buy Insta360 Go Ultra, and I was deciding if I want to buy this camera or I want to purchase DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but I decided that this camera is gonna be more convenient and more suitable for the videos and type of content I would like to do in the nearest future. As you may have already noticed, I bought not just the camera but the creator bundle. I made this decision because I thought these accessories would be useful during my trip, which is coming up very soon, and I would have bought them anyway eventually. So I bought them right away because they will make my life much easier and they will allow me to shoot content more comfortably and from different angles. Speaking about accessories, in fact one of the most convenient accessories for this camera is one of the included in the camera itself. It's a neck strap that you can easily slide under your clothes and attach the camera to it, and the camera itself is magnetic, so it's actually allowing you to film from your own perspective, like video shots, hands-free. So it's quite convenient, especially considering that this camera has a pretty good stabilization. And the second thing is the memory card that I bought for this camera. So you can see the package from it on the background, and the issue with it is that it's not micro SD card. So when I was making this purchase, I decided to buy the memory card with the camera itself from the same place, but when it was the memory card I would like to buy for this camera, I haven't noticed that it wasn't really micro SD card but a regular sized card. So yeah, at first I had to use a memory card I had for another device, for my tablet, and that I bought a separate one for this camera. And speaking of, another reason why this camera was a better choice is that I'm quite clumsy person. So the fact that this camera water resistance have and more durable in like day-to-day life, and it's less fragile than the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, I decided that for the first camera it's gonna be a better choice because I'm quite a clumsy person. At the end of the video, I'm probably gonna add a few videos of what I recorded with this camera. Side note, to be honest, I didn't really like how I edited the first few shots, so don't pay much attention. I more like the shots that's gonna be later with my dogs. And the main downside that I found with this camera, and actually I knew about that even before purchasing when I was doing my research. So when you record with it, it tries to keep everything in focus and tries to keep the picture really sharp, but the downside of that, when you're trying to make more cinematic shots or when you're trying to make a close shot of anything, it doesn't really gives you like a blurry background aesthetic shot or anything like that. It keeps everything really sharp, really clear in the picture, and it's not really a downside but something you have to keep in mind when you're trying to record with this camera. So this is probably gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any commentary about this camera, any advices on how to use it properly, and of course if you would like to have more videos with a voiceover, please write it in the comments, and please follow me if you would like to see more videos from me. Thank you. Bye bye.